Hello. So in the background we have beans curry and butternut cooking, and we are making the puri to go with it. Now you guys have requested the puri, so today I'm here with Aunty Pravina and we are making the puri. Hello Aunty Pravina.
Hello.
This is the most requested thing on.
Hello guys. I'll do my best for y'all. Pay attention, make your own puri, enjoy.
Tops. Now you said, what's the ingredients for puri?
For puri, we only use cake flour,
Right.
ordinary cake flour, all-purpose flour.
Okay. Now
Right.
there was one confusion in my comment section with the roti video. On the flour. So there was wheat flour,
Yes.
there was all these different. Can you please help us clarify what's the difference, or which is used for puri and which is used for roti, etc.?
Cake flour is the only flour that you can buy at the moment.
Right.
And at the bottom, it will be written on that pack, wheat flour.
Okay.
Right,
The same
wheat.
thing.
Same thing.
Same thing.
But let's put it all-purpose flour.
Okay.
Right? You can make roti with it, you can make puri with it. You can't make pancakes because pancakes you use self-raising.
Right. So self-raising flour is not for roti and not for
No,
puri.
you will just
ruin it. We're not making all the puri right now, just for the video. Making
just
a few. So we're using 1 cup.
Okay, let's make it 1.5.
You don't have to stuff it and everything.
No, I don't serve. Then now this is boiling water. I'm going to pour 1 cup because as I told y'all with experience, I don't do this.
Okay.
But I am going to do it for y'all to catch up and learn. As I pour, I go around.
Now, you mentioned off camera about using the fork. I asked you why you use the fork. One lady went and commented the video and said, that's such a stupid question, OG. You must do your research, you must ask better questions. And I'm thinking to myself, I don't know why you use the fork and not a spatula.
Correct.
And not a wooden spoon, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But you mentioned this now. Can you please give us the reason as to why you use the fork?
I use the fork because it breaks the flour up.
Right.
It doesn't, if you use a spoon, it will stick to the spoon.
Yeah.
Here in this fork here, as you see, it got all different sort of spikes. Got another cup here. Now I finish pouring the water. We only used 1.5 cup. And now I am actually using flour that is sticking. So this is a bit of a sticky dough, I must say, because we are not using anything that will bind it.
Like butter and
yes.
egg, etc.
Nothing.
So literally flour and water.
Flour and water. This puri here, actually, you can keep it for 1 week. That, and also you got to put a lot of love in your cooking. You must be passionate of what you do. You're not passionate of what you do, you'll never get things right.
You know that saying, when you cook with love, it come out tasty. When you cook with hate and resentments,
yes,
then
if
your
you're
food
angry.
come out, you forget the salt, you forget the...
Yes.
You know, every time I cooked in my life, I forgot the salt. But when I think about it, I was angry. That day I was irritated that I have to cook. You know what I mean?
Oh, then the curry didn't come out right.
The curry didn't come out right, then I'm putting salt afterwards.
Right. So now I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to roll it out. So with the help of a knife now, maybe I'll just break it up into 3 portions.
Yeah.
Now I will roll it like this. This is my butter ghee, about 4 tablespoons of butter ghee into my pot. You make it in a frying pan. Frying pan must be deep. That was the right one to make in that one. But I prefer a pot, a small pot, because you don't use too much of oil.
So a little bit of oil with the ghee.
With the ghee, the oil goes. So it's not little bit. It is lot.
Oh, right. You put a lot. Oh, I had the wrong perception. I literally thought that puri is made like how roti is made.
No.
So my mistake. Well, I don't know why I'm apologizing to you all. You all probably knew differently.
Yeah, maybe they didn't even know.
Maybe they didn't even know. But now it's sort of like deep fried. Sort of, not deep fried, but I mean there's a lot of oil there.
Yeah.
It's gonna vine. Okay.
So we're also going to put some of this hand towel. Because when I take out from there, I don't want it soaking into that place there.
Absorb the oil a little bit. Right?
I'm just going to leave it here. So as I take out, I leave here and then I will set inside there. We cut this. Well, I'm not making very small puri.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not praying with the puri. I'm just making for eating. So we just do this.
So this is a flattening of.
Flattening of the puri, as I told you.
It's similar to roti, it's smaller.
Yes. So now we are going to start frying our puri. Right? We go for it. I'll put 3 at one stroke.
Oh, you can put one on top of the other two.
Yes, but you must be at turning point fast.
Yeah. Straight away it starts to. You can see it bubble. How many turns?
Only 2 turns.
Oh, same like roti.
No, roti is 3 turns.
Okay.
This is 2 turns. 2 turns, and then you take this and you just skip it onto here, and you skip this onto here.
Wow. That was like instant, huh?
Yeah, that's instant.
That's simple.
But it's all about an art of doing cooking.
Yeah.
If you don't know the art of it, right, I'm going to throw it here for it to soak out. So I put my next lot. You can put 1 at a time because if you are learners, or you can put 3 at a time or 2. Whatever you'll find convenient. You
Right.
don't have to do what I am doing, because it just starts rising and then you just turn it around.
Literally like 5 seconds into it, it starts to rise.
Yes,
Yeah.
because the oil is heated.
Yeah.
See, that is now how you fry the puris.
Okay.
So
Well, that is how you make puri. So it's quite simple. It just took a little bit of flour, water, no salt, no oil, nothing. Butter, ghee, and oil mixture in the pot to fry it, and then that is the outcome. Aunty Pravina, even the puri is smelling nice. I can get the smell,
shame.
the ghee, and
How do you think the people out there gonna watch
Yeah.
and they'll say, "Wow, Samir,
I always
you
do this to you all,
are-"
but
This is a nice
How you
one.
licking
You
your
can
lips?
video this one.
oh yes, it puffed up nicely there. Right, so we recorded 2 videos. In one video, we made the puri, as you can see. In the other video, we made the beans curry and the butternut. So it depends on which video you're watching, but we got one end because we're gonna taste all the food together. But if you're watching the beans curry video, you can go watch the puri and vice versa. Okay, so now you say this thing goes together now, huh? You're gonna eat a little bit of beans, a little bit of butternut, salad. You got a choice of salad and mango pickle here. But yeah, you know what I love about beans curry. My favorite part of the beans curry is the potato. My favorite part of any curry is the potato.
But you're just like Ashwin.
Huh? No, I'm being serious. I leave it for last and everything. Like, I don't know. I'm just.
Like a piece of meat.
Yes, I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm just gonna put you up for tasters for now, just to have a little bit of that, a little bit of butternut. You can see the butternut came out like a puree kind of thing. It melts, obviously.
Yes.
My mouth is watering, yeah. Right, as you can see, the puri. So remember, Aunty Pravina said no salt, oil. They make the puri hard. You can see how soft it is. And yeah, I'm gonna have a bit of. First, let's taste the butternut, but we got a little bit of beans curry gravy there. But anyway. As soon as I hit my tongue, oh, I get the sweetness from the sugar. It doesn't have that bitter taste. You got that.
Correct.
It's nice. Oh, guys.
You know what you're missing.
Look how soft this potato is. Guys, this beans curry. The butternut.
Yeah, the guys are dying there.
Oh my. This is a perfect recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to click subscribe Put your comments there, put your comments. We did discuss that maybe in the next one, you're gonna make the mili meal roti.
Yes, the mili meal roti.
And maybe a chicken curry or something.
Yes.
But put your comments and put your questions as to what you want to know or whether you enjoyed this video. We always say this, say something, even if it's just a hello. And thank you for watching. And thank you to Aunty Pravina for this amazing chow. I think it's so tasty. It's so tasty. It's so tasty. I can't talk anymore. We're gonna enjoy the chow. Make sure you subscribe.
Thank you.
Right.
Ciao for now. Bye.
Bye.